As part of my series on how to optimize a game, both in performance and in file size, this time we're covering audio file types and what you should use for your game, both in music and in sound effects. This applies to all game engines, but I'll mainly be focusing on the Godot game engine. So let's dive in. Linked in the description, you can find the official Godot documentation on audio, and what it shows are the different sizes for different audio file formats. And for example, WAV 24-bit being the highest quality and largest file size, and OGG being lowest quality and smallest file size. But when it comes to audio quality, honestly I can't really tell that big of a difference between them. Maybe some audio experts can, or maybe it's because I'm using cheap earbuds. But what we can take away from this is their tip that they give, and what it simply means is that you should use WAV for short audio like sound effects and OGG Vorbis for longer audio like music. And if you're working with mobile, they recommend using MP3s. So now you know the formats, but not the quality for the formats. So if you're going with WAV, going with 16-bit is a good middle ground and pretty much audio standard. And going up to 24-bit, as you can see, is a lot larger in file size. If that's not an issue, it might be worth using it. For OGG, I would go for 128 because they're already really small in file size. So it makes sense to just go with the largest one. But the quality is mostly personal preference and depending on your needs. And there is nothing wrong with using just one or the other. If you want to, you can just use MP3s for all of your music and sound effects. And it can also be nice having different file types for sound effects and music to keep your project more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.